Hey everybody, today on Mama Nina Cooks, I'm making you my world's famous garlic bread. World famous. Okay, ready? All we need is butter, granulated garlic powder, garlic, and a loaf of bread. Now this is French bread. You can use sourdough baguettes. You can use whatever you want. Okay, so first of all, we're going to cut this bread lengthwise. All the way down. Now, we're going to take some garlic, fresh garlic. Now, if you don't like garlic, you're not going to like this. You're not going to like this recipe because this recipe is chock full of garlic. Okay. So I'm going to need like 5 or 6 garlic cloves. This is Garlic Lovers garlic bread. Okay. Just crushing the garlic so they'll release the casings. It makes it really easy to peel. Good fresh garlic. You can tell it's getting fresh if it releases its juices. You can see them and smell them. You don't want it to be rubbery. When you cut into it, it's crisp. So to our minced garlic, we're going to add some butter. This is a stick of butter. I'm going to cut it up. Oh, this is softened, but I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, just because I want to heat up that garlic a little bit and get the butter more spreadable. Okay, now we're going to add some granulated garlic. I don't measure, I just eyeball it. I just put a bunch in there. Like I said, if you don't like garlic, just skip ahead. You're not going to like this recipe. But if you do like garlic, you're going to love this recipe. My family goes crazy for it. Start spreading it. So I'm going to get every little piece of bread covered. Okay, now we're going to put this in the oven on broil, but don't walk away or you will burn it. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. Okay, here we go. Here's the garlic bread. Only takes a couple of minutes to broil. Taste a piece. Mmm. Nice and crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. Okay, everybody, try my garlic bread and let me know what you think. I appreciate you. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye.